delicious. I'm Chef Joe Sasto. We're here at Jam in the Van. For Bon Appetit, we have Emily Kinney with us today. We're making Matcha Tiramisu.
Said I've been walking around your dreams. The magic spells must be working. I'll put the crystals in the backyard. Lit a candle and prayed hard.
Matcha Tiramisu.
There
Oh,
we
got
go.
it.
She got it. You seem very sweet and innocent on The Walking Dead, and I was like,
Okay.
sweet, innocent, tiramisu, delicious.
Yes,
Okay.
excited.
Have you ever separated eggs before?
No,
Today's gonna be
absolutely
the first
not.
time.
Okay.
We're gonna do that. So probably go like 7 or so eggs. As I crack them, you're gonna go in with your hands, and you're
Okay.
gonna go very carefully back and forth. We're gonna call you Chef Emily by the end of the
Oh,
day.
yeah?
About equal parts eggs to sugar.
Wow, you really just threw that sugar in there. You didn't like
Oh yeah,
measure it or
no,
anything.
No. You measure it with your heart and your soul. A little vanilla bean paste. Always a little bit of salt. Green tea, for anybody out there that's not familiar with matcha. So we'll start on low. We're gonna beat this up till it's like a little pale in color.
Whoa.
As long as it's not getting on us, I'm
Yeah,
cool
true.
with
I'm
it.
just pointing towards the camera,
Yeah.
guys.
So our sugar's dissolved. Ricotta cheese. Ricotta.
Ricotta.
Ricotta. And we used the white sugar in here. I like brown sugar. These things are the death of me on any cooking competition show I've ever done. Mascarpone cheese. And this is gonna be our layering base. There you go. Yep. So these are lady fingers. They're like Italian cookies.
Okay.
Get those nice and open. I'm gonna get
Okay.
some coffee.
Ooh, coffee, my favorite part. Can I try this?
Yes,
Or
try
will-
one.
Okay. Whoa. It's like
Like a sponge cake?
I was gonna say like Twinkies or something,
Yeah,
but not
yeah.
quite as, you know,
Offensive.
yeah.
Here we have Amaro, so like an Italian liqueur, a bunch of like
Ooh.
botanicals and herbs and things like that.
So
and
we're
you could get,
like
you could get
going
as
for it
boozy
today.
as you
Yeah,
want.
okay.
We're going for it. So we have our matcha, our Amaro. I'll do dipping.
Okay.
You'll do layering. Spoon a nice little layer down on the bottom. We'll do a little dip, quick dip, because you don't want it to be like falling apart. And now we're gonna layer in. And you've been pretty busy lately, right? Working on a lot of new things.
Yes.
New song?
I have a new song that just came out. It's called B or C for Effort.
What was the inspiration for that?
A failed relationship, but I sort of give it, you know, B or C for
Effort.
Gave it a try, yeah.
All
I'd say
right.
it's a pretty generous.
B or C was it?
Yeah, kind of participation trophy kind of
uh-huh.
vibes for the relationship. Like, you showed up.
Yeah, but like the effort was not there enough.
But ultimately, yeah.
B or C for effort, I guess. There's a school of thought saying people don't change, but I'm praying to God that we both rearrange.
Now the iconic, because it's tiramisu, we could dust the top with the matcha powder, and there you go, matcha tiramisu. And then we have Tantos, my puff pasta chips. This is the tiramisu flavor.
Nice.
So I thought it'd only be appropriate to put tiramisu Tantos on top of our tiramisu.
It's almost like ice cream that has melted a little. That's great.
That's a nice sweet treat on a hot
Yeah.
summer day.
After you've been out in the heat and then take this out of the fridge.
Take it out of the fridge, nice cool,
Nice,
refreshing
cool.
slice.
Ooh, I'm liking being able to taste the alcohol.
Montenegro, yeah. Well done.
Great work.
Thanks for your help.
I don't know if I'll be able to recreate
Yeah,
that.
no, you don't have to. That's what you got me for. Well, that was Bon Appetit, Jam in the Van. Emily, thank you so much for joining us here today.
Thanks for having me. It was
Of
really
course.
fun.
See you all next time.
B or C for effort.